Welcome to a guided meditation for the people who changed you. Settle in. Let your body find a position that feels supported. Let your breath slow. Let the noise of the day move a little farther out to the edges. You don't have to force anything. Just be in this moment. When you're ready, close your eyes. We're going to step into a different kind of remembering. This isn't the kind that's going to drag you back into old stories. This is the kind of remembering that brings you home to what shaped you in the best ways possible. Take a long, steady breath in. Let a longer breath go. Now imagine yourself standing on a quiet, open space. You're safe here. You're alone, but not lonely. There's a softness in the air. In this space, call to mind someone who changed you for good. It might be someone whose presence shifted the ground beneath your feet in a way you can never unfeel. It could be someone who taught you an incredibly beautiful lesson. It could be someone who expanded you. It could be someone you lost. It could be someone you loved. Or someone that showed you love. Let the first person who comes to you be the right one. Trust and let that happen. See them at whatever distance feels comfortable. Try not to force the image. Let it form at its own pace. It may not become crystal clear, and that's okay. You can feel their presence, even though you may not see them clearly. But ask yourself, what did this person awaken me that I couldn't see on my own? How did they change me for good? Let the answer come through quietly. Breathe into the truth that you heard. They may have showed you a strength you didn't know you had. They maybe broke something open that needed breaking, or loved you in a way that made you better at loving yourself. Or maybe they saw a version of you that you hadn't yet grown into. Now imagine a small light glowing at the center of your chest. This light is the part they changed in you. It's the piece that they touched, that they might have challenged, that they nurtured or shifted. Watch that light grow a little brighter with every inhale and every exhale. You now carry that light. This lives within you and shapes how you walk through the world. Their influence didn't end when that moment ended, or the relationship ended, or the season ended. It stayed and became a part of your becoming. Feel the gratitude that rises in you as you recognize this. It's not a gratitude that excuses any harm or rewrites history, but the pure gratitude of seeing how you were changed for good. If it feels right, offer them a quiet thank you. I see the way you shaped me, and I carry it forward. Take a breath. Now let them gently fade away from view, stepping back so that you can return to yourself. Ask yourself, who else has changed me for good? Let one more face rise. A mentor, a friend, a child, even an animal, or a stranger who arrived at the perfect moment. Or a version of yourself from another chapter. The one who kept going when things were heavy. Whoever this person is, let them appear and repeat the same process. See them. Feel what comes up. And now notice the light that they helped kindle in you and acknowledge it. Now bring your awareness back to the light in your chest. This light is your collection of for goods. The people and moments that didn't just impact you, they altered your path. They shifted your identity and they helped you shed what didn't fit and step closer to who you're becoming. Take a deep breath in and feel that light expand until it fills the entire space around you. You are not just shaped by these people. You are continuing their impact. You are the next link in the chain of for good. Rising your hand to your heart, whisper to yourself, I honor what made me. I honor who I am becoming. Now take one final breath. Feel the light and beauty and joy surrounding you, emanating from your heart's core. Sit in this light. Enjoy it for just a moment more. And when you're ready, return to the room. Wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. And when it feels good to you, open your eyes. Carry this light with you. You have been changed for good, and you get to change others the very same way.